Alright, hey guys, it's Avia LeVon. I am back with another video. So this time I'm actually in Mexico, in Cancun, on my birthday vacation trip. So I thought I would just hop on here really quickly and just show you guys what are my must-have products, makeup-wise, beauty-wise, for any vacation to get that perfect glow, perfect skin, but also just really lightweight and like vacation approved. I'll start first with my base. I love using the NYX Shine Killer. I just have oily skin and I just don't want to look like a glow ball, like a little shiny mess. So I like putting this on under anything that I do, along with some sunscreen. So this is great to just kind of keep everything in control, and then I can add my own glow at the end, which I love. Okay, then also for the base, I love using the Clinique Moisture Surge. This is like one of the little travel containers, but it's just really great for giving your skin kind of a hydrated look. So I love kind of using this as just kind of a skincare product. Okay, so as far as foundations, I bring two. So I have right now the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundations. So I bring like what's currently my shade, and right now that's 380. And then over the trip, I also bring a darker shade. So this one is 420. So just in case I get a tan, I can use one of the two, just kind of according to how my trip is going. So I love these. They feel really lightweight, which I like, but then also kind of give me full coverage if I need a good like night look, or if there's any reason why, I hope the wind isn't too loud, but if there's any reason why I want more of a full coverage look, these are great, but they feel great also because they feel really lightweight. Okay, then also right before I went on my trip, I thought, hey, it'd be really great to have a stick foundation for those days that I just want light coverage, but I want to be able to cover up some of the dark spots on my face. So I ended up picking up the Pure foundation stick. So it is called, or it's in the color, dark. But so I really like it. Let me take the little top off. Ooh. But it's really great for just kind of adding the coverage where you need it. So that's just kind of what it looks like, if you can even see it. Yeah, there we go. So that's what it looks like. But just if you only want some coverage in some spots where you don't want to do a liquid foundation, I think stick foundations are a way to go for just kind of a really light coverage look. Okay, so then as we start to get kind of to our glow and our bronzy looks, I have 3 different products that I must have. Okay, so first is this contour palette from Black Radiance. So I have the light to medium palette, but I love mixing these 2 colors for a little bit of a contour, and it gives a nice kind of glow and like bronze as well. So this is a great palette to have for your vacations. And then another one that I really like, front's dirty, is the Chloe and Malika BFF palette from Becca. So this palette, I picked it up over Christmas, and it just has, it's truly just a glow palette. So you have your bronzers, your 2 blushes, a little bit of a highlight. So it's great colors, great for the beach, great for vacation, just meant to kind of give you all of the glow. So like lately this trip, I've been mixing these 2 on top of my contour in this palette, and so it's just kind of giving me a nice glow on my cheeks. And then a trick also to kind of give you more of a sun-kissed look is to take the brush and like put it over your nose and cheeks. That way it looks like the sun more so like hit you, and that's just kind of where your bronzy look is coming from. So it looks like it's coming from more within rather than I put it on. And my last thing that I absolutely love as far as for the additional glow is the Laura Mercier. This is the translucent powder, medium deep, but it's the glow powder. So it is, so unlike the regular translucent powder or the regular deep, it has a lot at the top. This one has just a slight bit of shimmer. Can you see that on my hand? And it's just so pretty. So I use this over my cheeks as well, a little bit on my forehead. So anywhere I want to kind of look like I've had that extra little bit of glow, it's great for that. And it just looks really natural and sun-kissed, which I like. So it's a great kind of vacation powder, gives you that glow. I think this is perfect to have for any vacation that you go on. Right, and then the last two things are lips, but this is from the same collection. These are both from the Becca, Chloe, and Malika BFF collection. So it's the colors Cupid's Kiss and Yours Truly. So these are gorgeous. I think they're just like the right kind of natural color, but slight pink. And they go really well with kind of all the bronzy tones that you'll have on vacation, I think. So this one is Cupid's Kiss. And then this one is Yours Truly. So I've been wearing Cupid's Kiss a lot more on this trip. It looks great on my skin tone and complexion. This one too, I usually add just a little bit of a liner, but they just kind of, they look so natural. They look great with like any bit of little glow that you have. So I really like these to just kind of throw on for a natural looking lip. I think that's all. But these have been the I must have for this trip to kind of get the full glow and the full look that I'm really going for. So I hope you guys thought that this was fun, kind of helpful. So these are my must-haves. I'll have these on my blog as well, and also on my Instagram. So be sure to check all these out there, and then all my pictures from my trip and Instagram stories will all be there too. And check out some of the other videos that I've done just kind of around this trip. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Maybe I'll put some bloopers. Was that fun for you? I was like, where did he go? He's definitely talking about you on the camera. Can we get room service?